Hi guys, welcome back, and we are still going to solve the solution to assignments in lecture 1. So if you've not watched lecture 1, please, there's a link to the video for lecture 1. You can watch that, and then the assignment is just for you to write or modify the code in such a way that whenever you click this button, it's going to keep changing. So it's going to change to 2, 3, 4, and so on. So I'll quickly show you exactly how you can modify this code to achieve that. So the first thing you need to know is that we are actually getting our values from this particular paragraph tag in our HTML. So I'm just simply going to put 1 there, okay, and it doesn't matter, so you can leave it at what it is. And then whenever we click on this button, it changes. So in my main.js, I'm going to show you how you can modify that to actually get the desired outcome. So you want to really create a variable, right? And then call the variable digit or whatever name you want to give to the variable really. And then you want to save whatever you get from here, document.elements. You want to save this first, okay? So you want to save this document get element id.html. So I'm just going to copy this, and then you want to save it in a variable here, okay? So once you save this in a variable, you can easily reference the variable now. So you can say the new value, okay, for the inner HTML is going to be this, whatever is in this digit, okay? And you want to now add 1 to it, so you do +1. So I'm just going to save that, and let me show you exactly what is going to happen when you do this. So I would come back to my browser, reload this, and you see I have 1. If I click, I have, so it's just adding 1 to the front of the number. So how do we solve that problem? What is actually happening is concatenating 1. So it's adding 1 as a string, which is getting from the index.html to this. All you need to do is use a parseInt, okay? ParseInt like this. So if you just do a parseInt right here, so it's going to convert this digit into an integer, okay? And then it's going to add 1 to it each time you click. So when you save that and you come back here and you reload, it's going to say 2, 3, 4, 5. So this is the solution to the assignment, guys. So as I click, it continues to increase each time I click the button. So thank you for watching once again, and I'll see you in the lecture 2 of this JavaScript series.